So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can generate fake Instagram post screenshots for free without using any software. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for Zoob. It spells like OOB. Just simply go to this website and open the first website that appear right in front of you. Once you open it, here you need to scroll down until you find this option which says fake Instagram post generator. Just simply tap on it, and when you scroll down again, here you're gonna find this option which says fake Instagram post generator. Just simply open it and close the ad if it appears. And here you're gonna see this page will appear right in front of you, where it will ask you to upload the details about the post that you want to generate, the fake post that you want to generate. You can customize the post, the username, the number of likes, the descriptions, the captions, the number of comments, and everything in this post screenshot. And once you are satisfied with your changes, all you need to do is to just simply click on this option which says generate fake post, and your screenshot will be downloaded. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.